All right, so we just got the locator turned off. You'll see we're right here at 5 feet. Make sure I don't hit the wrong button. All right, if you look right here, you'll see where that pipe is separated. Okay. I am actually going from under the hall bath lavatory. My locator, unfortunately, is needing some more batteries at this point. We're somewhere right here with the camera. Say we're 5 feet, and my locator was seeming to want to pick it up right here next to this half bath toilet. Again, that vanity is about right there. I'm picking up that freight. It's only 5 feet. Come out here. And then I located where the sewer line comes out here in the front yard as well. There's no clean outs. That hose bib there is dripping. A water heater is in the living room closet. So that's pretty fun stuff. It's a 2013 model. So at any rate, we're going to need to dig these cleanouts up. We're going to need to do quite a bit more of investigating. I ran the camera. Down. I didn't see a whole lot of other issues. I have not ran the camera from anywhere else. But, and this is actually about where we go outside. There is a manhole in the front yard. I'm going to end this.